Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
You may not be able to see another, pandemic like this because it comes once in 100 years. We had a Spanish flu which also we could not see. Actually, when I passed my 1978 batch and I entered my medicine, I think half of you must have been born. We were born. 78 I joined medicine. But we were very lucky not to go for tuitions. I was just telling you, we were taking tuition at home. English subject. Me and my brother was sleeping there actually at 3 o'clock. Both of us know it there. And our teacher was still teaching us. My English has never improved. But anything, whatever is there, but I was telling that we are lucky parents also because my children also, I didn't have to stress too much on all the solutions and all. But with the present situation, 1 mark or half mark is very important for your career purpose. And especially NEET and all those things coming into action, I think your coaching has played a very important role in making you what you are today. Because it is very easy, you may know the subject, but how to answer the exam also is very important. Please don't go after money. Money automatically comes to you. Don't go after money. If you go after money to start with, you will be never successful in medicine. You have to do good service to the people, help people, feel for the people, see that you do best for the people what you can, try to help them out maximum and then you will be successful automatically. Whatever you choose, whatever you have chosen, try to be the best in that. There is nothing like theoretical massage, mechanical massage, political, individual massage, tribulational, and so on. There is no injustice to number 1. And he will have to answer in God's court. Bigger answer. Number 1 is always number 1. There is always room at the top. Whether you are a doctor, whether you are a lawyer, whether you are an engineer, whether you are a sports person, whether you are a cook, or anything on the road. If you are good, if you are excellent, you are wanted.
Any student who unfortunately loses the breadwinner of the family will not go home. They will study with us without any fees, daily nominated course. So this scholarship is open now. This is a new scholarship which is introduced. Any child who comes to us will not look back only because of any financial problem arising out of either COVID pandemic or any other pandemic. And this will be a total way of complete peace from the day this incident happens.
So we had many few students in the exam. Our percentage selection was good. 2 of our students average on service and average students got into the Goa and another students got into GC. Some of this I was studying in medical labs even when he was able to crack the second exam, but he has chosen to be a doctor and he has more medical problems. Now, as you all have proven that you are good at studies, I am going to contribution to this. Now, as you all have proven that you are good at studies, it is the time to go one step ahead. Academic excellence is one part. We also need to ensure that we all are citizens and better human beings. We need to check whether our personal achievements are happily making our society a better place or not. Achievement should go hand in hand with contribution to our society, then only our growth is meaningful. I also want to tell you that though you have moved out of Shekhar to your respective colleges, yet be assured that we are